Hi, this is Brad with Azstar Communications, and today I wanted to do a quick run-through of how to search and copy footage from a Panasonic DVR, model number WJ-HD316A. The process is really simple. From your live camera view, I've got a camera here hooked up to our DVR here in our office. What I'll do is I'll press the search button on the front of the DVR. Okay, right there. It will bring up a little search menu with the time and date. I'll use the arrow buttons on the front of the unit to arrow over to the time and date that I want. Typically, most stores get about 30 days recording on their DVR. I'm going to go to 12:30 or 12:28 on this particular date, and we'll bring up some footage here. I use the inner jog dial to scroll through and change the different times. So when I've got it ready, I'll leave it at 12:30 there. I go ahead and press play on the front of the unit. Okay, and it'll bring up the camera that I'm on at that time and date. This is back some older footage back from 2015. Now what I can do is use the outer ring of the jog dial to fast forward or rewind to get to the exact spot where I want to record. So let's say there's an altercation that takes place here at the bar here in just a couple seconds. So what I'm going to do is pause the footage right at the beginning of the incident. And I could obviously use the jog dial to rewind and get it right at the very beginning. So when I'm all set there, what I want to do is press the copy button over on the unit here. And to do that, I have to hit the shift key first, and then the copy button, which is number 10, and it'll bring up a copy menu on the screen. And what it'll do, it'll default the time and date to where I had it, where I paused it, and it'll add 5 minutes, as you can see there. It'll go 5 minutes. In this case, that's plenty of time. The altercation just took a couple minutes. Now, another neat thing is I can use the arrow buttons, arrow over to the right, and I can select other cameras. Let's say there was another angle of the incident that took place at the I could catch from the other bar camera, and I would go ahead and press set on the front of the unit to select that camera as well. You'll notice that that camera that's selected lights up white. So those cameras will be the ones that are recording. In this case, I'm just going to do camera 4. When I'm done there, I'll use the arrows again to arrow down. I just want to make sure that copy 2 is selected on our copy drive selection. That is the USB drive on the front of the unit. When I'm ready to go, I'll get over to OK there. But first, I'm going to put in my thumb drive. This is a Kingston drive, a 32 gigabyte drive. It's a DT101G2. It can be found at Staples for about $14, $15. So I'll put that in the USB port, the copy 2 port on the front of the drive. Alright, let's get her in there. And it takes about 10 seconds or so for the unit to register and to see that it's for the unit to be ready to record onto it. You'll see the unit start flashing there. As soon as it does, you're ready to go. You can go ahead and press set on the front of the unit to start recording. Once you do, you'll notice a little icon pops up here with 2 blue squares. And that means that the unit is recording and that you're ready to go. It takes about 30 seconds or so for 5 minutes of footage to be copied. Once it's done, that will disappear. That icon goes away, and then the unit will stop flashing. So the recording is complete. Look down at my thumb drive. It's done, and you're all set. To get back to just live view on the cameras, you hit the stop button here, and that'll take you back to live play. And that's it. Your thumb drive can be removed and then handed to the police or insurance company or mailed to corporate office or whoever who needs it. And it has a viewer and the footage on the thumb drive. You're all set. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.